If you want to do international transaction, online payment, or work in freelancing site like a Fiverr, Upwork, People per Hour, and withdrawal fund, you can use Pioneer Mastercard freely. Today I show you here how to create account in Pioneer for apply Mastercard here. First of all, open your web browser and type Payoneer.com, spelling Payoneer.com, and press enter. You can see description below for this link or shorts in Google Pioneer Mastercard. Then click on this register button. Then choose the type of accounts. I'm going to freelancing, so I choose this options and click get paid. This options, click this register button, fill this forms. We have to complete this 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. Type your first name. You should fill that information which is written in your government's IDs like a passport or national ID. You should give that kind of information. I type here first name, then type last name, your email, .com. Again retype your email, tabs and retype your emails, gmail.com, and type your date of birth, choose the year, month, you should choose the month, then click next options. Country is Nepal, and type your street and the number. It automatically detects your address. If you not get your detect address, click enter address manually. I choose these options and type street and number. The word number 8, it's optional. I don't write here. City, then postal code. If you're not idea postal code, you can search in Google's. My postal code is 34, and type your person's phone number, and then to get a verification code, click the send code options here. My code is 013711, and then click next options. So we reach in step 3 now. Enter the passwords. Password should be right, minimum 7 character. Make a strong password, combine symbols, write here again. And then security questions. It's a very important. If you forget your password, that time you should give the security ensures. If you not know about that, you cannot retrieve your account. I choose this questions. Then issue country of ID, Nepal. What do you want to submit here? There is a passport, driving license, and national ID. It's okay. I submit here my passport details. Issue date is October 11. Yes, and the expiry is October 10, 2025. And then click next option. Please add the bank account for the withdrawal currency and submit your local bank here. You want to submit my bank. I have a Prabhu bank. It's okay. There is a Prabhu banks. I have a bank accounts here. Type your bank account details. 11. And then put a tick mark of this box. Yes, this way fill your form completely and then click submit button. Congratulations, your Payoneer accounts application has been submitted successfully and it's now being reviewed. After 10 minutes, I got this approved email from Pioneers. So I want to log in again. Click log or sign in buttons. Then click sign in. Yes, welcome back. Before continuing your account, please provide the update list below. Click update now. In this security settings, there is a 3 questions. You should give the answers. After answers, click change options. Security verifications. To complete your request, enter the verification code. Pioneer has sent me verification code, so check your email. Go to emails. Yes, there is one verification code. Yes, the code is 606713, and the paste here. Control V, and then click submit. Your process has been completed, so click on John. My security settings has been updated. Click on this let's go options. Yes, my sign up process has been completed here. Now my account is now approved.